Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to activate Google Assistant on Vivo V29 Lite. So firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll to the very bottom, go into System Navigation, and make sure that Swipe to bring up Digital Assistant is enabled. If you have gestures, set it up as navigation with your device, just like me. After this, to activate the Google Assistant, all you will have to do is just pull from one of the bottom corners to the top. So just like this. Also, you can just tap on the Google Assistant app or hold the power button. Yeah, and if you have buttons, set it up as the navigation on your device, then all that you have to do to activate the Google Assistant is to just hold the home button. So that's going to be all. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments. And if I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe.